This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Barbara Bailey Smith. Spacious, well-kept home with a great floor plan. Former parsonage. PBR on first floor west/cathedral ceiling, new floor, bath west/shower and sunken tub and dub C. Liv.rm, dining room west/tray ceiling and crown molding, LG. Den, eat-in kitchen west/pantry, laundry room, half bath and bright sunroom on first floor. Second floor has additional 3 bedrooms and LG loft area with built-in bookcases. Plenty of room for everyone. Nearly new refrigerator, washer, dryer, convey. Dual HVAC system. Deck and large yard with shed in backyard. Large floored attic west/pull down stairs. For more information, review the details below.